Okay, welcome back. This is MoTech. I'm Noel Moses, Mwadende FMD by Moses. In program number 21, we are going to find some average and the product of numbers. So, as you can see from our book, program in the figure 37, this figure 37, will accept three number from user as shown in the figure and use switch case to give user three options to check some product or average of the numbers. So this is the piece of code how a program should be looked on compiler, and figure number 38 in the output sample how our output from the console should look like. So let us go and open compiler, Control N for creating new file in DVC++, include IOStream, and then using namespace std int main, our main function, enter, put curly bracket, here put a comment, C++ program to find some average and the product using switch case, So declare your variable int number 1, number 2, number 3, as I've said that user will be able to enter 3 number. Declare sum for holding the summation of 3 numbers. Declare average for holding the total average of 3 number. Declare product for holding the product of these 3 number. Then cout, we should send a message to the user to prompt a user to enter 3 numbers, for different mathematics, for different math operations. Yeah, that's it. Here you should end line, yeah, put semicolon. So the next thing you should do is to read the entered number by user, number 2, read number 3. That is, now we put char selection as we learned from switch case example, where we use the hip hop US group Amigos for selecting their first letters of their name. So char selection, cout, send a message to the screen, to the user, thank you, or thank you, your input accept, choose operation below. User should choose one operation below whether user need product, that is multiplication, use or user need addition, that is the sum. So cin read input from user selection, then switch case switch selection, then put your code. So I mean case S, this is capital S, which stands for sum. If user will select as sum, sum is equal to number 1 plus number 2 plus number 3, that is, then send the message to the user that sum sum of 3 entered number is entered number because there are 3 numbers. Sum of entered numbers is sum. And then you put a semicolon. Now it's time for another case. So no, we should break. So break here. Okay. Case A. Case A is about product. So product is equal to N1 times N2 times N3. Those are our numbers. See out, send the message to the user that product of 3 numbers, 3 entered numbers is product. That way, then break. So another case. Oh, this is case. Oh, sorry. This is case P. Yeah, this is case P for product. So another case is case A. Yeah, case A where case A average of these entered numbers should be number 1 plus number 2 plus number 3, then front slash divide by 3, then send message to the user that average average of three numbers, three entered, numbers is here should, is average. Here put average. That is, so we should have default case if none of selection from user is missing. So see out wrong choice, then select again. That is all about. Then return 0. I hope everything is right. So number 1, number 2, number 3, sum average, enter 3 numbers, read number 1, number 2, number 3, just selection, switch selection, S for sum is number 1 plus number 2 plus number 3, break. Here we should put break like this way. So that is the product of number, this is average. So we should compile our program. Let us see how a program should be saved. A program should be saved as sum average product. So compile and save. Sum average product. Or average, put here average, compile. Okay, now our program is free of errors, free of warning. Let us compile it and run. So our program is prompting us to enter 3 numbers. Enter 2, 2, 2. Thank you. Your input are saved. Choose operation. So let me okay, I need to know the product of these entered numbers. Okay, product of these numbers is 80, so 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 80. This program is correct. So let us look the output from our book. Let us see output from our book to see the comparison. As you can see, everything is right. Industry numbers for different math operation 222. Okay, save the product of 3 entered numbers is 8. So this program is right. So that is the end of program number 21. Do not miss next video. This is MoTech. I'm Noel Mwadende. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.